Hello, good afternoon, good day everybody. Ito yung I want to show you all my ring accessories that I bought in the auction, and I sorted it out. Ayan, let me show you. Mura ko lang ito nabili sa mga auction. Ayan. I'm a brand seller ng mga high-end bags, authentic and pre-love. Hindi ko na napansin tong mga accessory na to. Ang tagal-tagal na sa akin ito. It's about 10 years ago. Nabibili ko lang siya ng mga around $35 or something. Gohaken. And I was located in Japan. Ayan. And I'm an auctioneer. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga item na nabili ko and mga nabili ko sa mga flea market. Okay. Ito, look at this. Ayan. This is meron siyang citrine o yellow the stone sa flea market. Yan siya. Binili ko siya na super dumi. Yan. Tingnan natin. Look at that. And ayan po yan. Nilinis ko yan. Binrush ko yung loob. So inside it, meron siyang tag. And you can see, meron din siyang tag over here. Ayan. Ayan, yung tag niya. Hindi ko nakita kung ano yung nakalagay sa kanya. Let me look at this. Basta nasa ano siya. Ayan. This ring is wala lang siya nabili ko, pero okay na din ito. It's silver 950. Ayan. Nung nabili ko to, hindi ko alam na meron siyang ano, pero it's a silver 950. Ganda, diba? Hindi bagay sa kamay ko. Ganyan siya. No? Ayan. And another one, maganda, nagustuhan ko yung mga bato nila. Madumi rin to. It's already black. And hindi na siya kumikinang. Nilinis ko siya ng toothpaste. Or hot water with and also this is sterling 925. Yan. Tignan mo yung design niya. And the stone. Ito kaya yung stone niya. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-identify ng stone. Pero I always Google it. Says, sinasabi naman nila kung anong klaseng stone niya. Pero, the setting is silver. Kaya, siguro, the quality of the stone is malaki or high. Paki-comment lang kung tama o totoo yung stone niya. And this also the stone. This stone. Ayan siya. Yan. Ang aking mga nabibili. Nakikita sa aking treasure box. And another one. Ito. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Look. Look at the stone in the setting. And ano kayang bato siya? Sapphire? Is it precious? Is it original? Hindi po ako marunong tumingin eh. Kaya, can you describe what kind of stone is this? And meron din po siyang embossed stamp inside. Ayan. And with 925 0.25 silver also tag on it. And siya. Nabili ko rin siya ng super dumi. Black na siya. And nilinis ko siya ng salt and soda in hot water. Kaya ayan, binabad ko siya. Yan ang kinalabasan niya. Malinis na siya. And the stone itself, tas make it toothbrush lang inside para malinis yung loob niya. And another one na nagtataka ako. Ito ang ganda niya. Look. Super ganda yung kanyang design. And the stone is makintab din. Shining. I don't know if it is, but others says na pag meron ding crown na ganito at hindi lang dinikit, the stone is precious. Totoo kaya siya? Let me know on the comment below kung is it true or not. Yeah. And inside is has wala siyang stamp, pero until now matagal na siya sa akin, almost 10 years, hindi pa rin nagbabago yung kanyang metal. And hindi naman dumidikit sa magnetic. And even this one is not magnetic. Lahat ng silver 925 ay hindi siya magnetic. Meron dito ano hindi rin siya. Ayan o, may tatak ko. May tatak yung loob. Pero maganda yung stone niya. Wait lang. Let me see the wala siyang ano, pero hindi siya dumidikit sa magnet. Yan siya. Wala siyang tag sa loob. And another one is nabili ko siya rin sa auction. Kasama siya. Madumi rin siya. Super dumi. Nilinis ko lang siya this time. Meron siyang ganyan yung bato niya. And the setting itself, meron siyang mga crown. Kita kayo sa lupa. Yan. Yung mga crown niya. And nung nilinis ko siya, nakita ko na meron siyang embossed 8K doon sa ilalim. Meron siyang embossed 8K on it. Wala kasi akong pang tester. Meron siyang 8K. At tinignan ko sa internet na meron siyang the value of 8K right now is 7,800 yen, which is around $50 per gram. And kung i-weigh natin tong item, the weight of the item is 5 grams including the stone. O diba? From 7,800, at least about 400 or 350 dollar. Potensya, o diba? It's been 10 or 5 years ago na itong singsing na to. Kulong lang siya ng bato. No stone over there. It's already taken. At meron pa dito. Ito maganda to. Look. Oh. Ang ganda ng bato niya. And also no stamp. And also no stamp. But the quality of design is very antique. And nakakrown din siya. Hindi lang siya nakadikit. Yan na yan ang bato niya. So very cute. Yung bato niya. Yung ganito. So pretty. So excited. Ang ganda niya. Ganyan po siya. Oh. Yan. And marami pa. Ito to. This one is very cute also. Ayan. Look at the design. Wala rin siyang stamp inside. Meron siyang stamp inside. Ayan o. Ito pala. Hindi ko siya mabasa. There is also stamp in it. Ayan, that's why it's branded or ano. And the stone is blue, light blue or black. Ano kaya siya? Yan, ang ganda oh. Can be for men or women. The style is so elegant. Look at the inside. Please comment below kung anong stone niya. What stone is all about. And I have this one. Ayan. It's green stone. And this is also vintage product. Pero wala siyang stamp inside. Pero para siyang pinutol. Meron din siyang stamp. Wait po. There is stamp inside but not too visible. Hindi ko siya mabasa. Ayan. Ganda pa rin siya. And this is, look, opal. Ganda siya. This is silver. This is also silver 925. Yan. Silver 925. Good. And this one, so vintage. The stone, hindi ko rin siya alam. Pero meron din siyang stamp inside. Yan. And the quality inside, yung pagkakagawa is, yan. Ano kaya yung sign niya sa loob? Napakadumi rin niya dati. Hindi na siya hindi makita yung kanyang sulat. And there's something. The silver is written on it. Yan. Hindi siya naangat. And this one, akala ko. This is also cute. Yan, ganda. And the green stone, ano kaya? Kulang na yung bato niya, tanggal. And wala po siyang stamp. Wala siyang stamp. Wala siyang stamp inside, pero maganda rin siya. Super cute design. And this one is very dark. itong stamp eh. And the stone is very cute. Yeah. Yan siya. Old vintage design. Na, ano. Pero hindi siya, nadikit. And the other one. Ito maganda rin, kaya lang kulang na yung kanyang stone. Meron din siyang stamp inside. Silver 800. Silver 800 siya. Yeah. And this is very silver 925 lang siya. It's written in here in this is silver 925 written in there. Serpentine type siya. And the other one where is the Tiffany? The Tiffany? Wait, ito. This one is very dark and dirty na rin siya nun. Super black. Nilinis ko lang. Then I found out, akala ko is, ano lang siya. Simple ring. But inside, ayun over here, ayun, there is Tiffany ring with gold. Maybe this one is the gold. Ayan siya. Super dumi na sila lahat. So, hindi mo ma-distinguish what kind of metal it was. That's why I cleaned them all. Yeah. And I found out that this is silver 925 na to Tiffany with gold siya. Tiffany ring. And the other one, this is also silver. Meron siyang tatak sa loob. Simple but silver. Snake type. And this is also silver. This is sterling. It's written on there. Sterling. Ring. And this one is pierce. If you notice, madula siya. But pag through pearl siya, it's madigasgas. It's dry. You can scratch it. But this one is slippery. And okay, this is the one set of item. And this is also cute. Meron din siyang sign of silver inside. Hmm. Silver, and the stone, I don't know. Also silver, you know. Meron siyang line of silver. And this pendant is also vintage pendant. It's a picture. And this is also silver. Yeah. Okay. That's it. What kind of stone kaya siya? Can you comment down below? And tapusin ko na kaya to. Let me finish all this. And this one is very beautiful stone with silver 925 written on it. And siya. And this is the beads ring. And also this is, look at this. This is real pearl freshwater. If you scratch this one, ayan, magasgas lang sila, they're scratch, but if you polish it, wala na, it disappear. All the scratches disappear. And this is freshwater pearl with silver 925 setting and adjustable ring. This is adjustable. This is also silver 925 adjustable ring of freshwater pearl. And this another pearl ring with stamp also there. And there's the stamp. But if you tested it with the pearl, madulas siya. Not too good pearl. But the scratch disappeared. And another. What is this? I don't know how to test the gold, but later we'll test it. And this the other item that I showed before. Ayan, meron siyang ano yun. There's the stamp inside but not visible. Maybe see cubic zirconia or real, not to real diamond. I know. And siya, no sign. This is silver 925 bracelet. And this is white gold. And this one, the cross, no pendant, no tag. And this is magnetic ring. This is not real. Meron siyang bronze color inside. Bronze color. This is Tiffany. Yan. This is Tiffany and Company ring. But it is double ring inside. And we have here the snake type. Meron din siyang stamp inside. You know, meron din siyang stamp. And this one also, parang Tiffany siya. With stamp also. And maybe this one, hindi ko rin alam kung gold siya. Maybe it's gold twisted ring. And is no stamp inside. Pero cute siya. And this is maybe the chrome heart. Ayan, meron din siyang stamp inside silver. And this one is very cute. Ganda. And also with the stamp inside. Silver also. Ito wala siyang mga bato. No stone. Or maybe I will put my peridot stone there. Wait. Silver stamp. And this one is also have a stamp. Meron din siyang stamp inside. Silver. And this is very cute. Adjustable size. Pwede siyang i-adjust. Can be used here. And siya. But this is not silver nor gold. Just a fancy ring that it is not tarnishable. Yeah, dragon. And this one also with a stamp. I don't know what is the stamp. It's like marrow stamp. I don't know if it is gold. No written carat on it, but the quality of design is naka-ring, not face. Cute. And this is also cute. The ribbon type. No stamp. And this is also Tiffany, I think. There's a silver sign on it. And this is simple ring. Meron din yung stamp over there. Japanese and JF AMJ with a stone. And this is silver poly 4-leaf clover. 4-leaf clover ring. Yeah, that's it. Ayan po yung, that's all my treasure hunt item. I found it at the bulk size or on the flea market. I buy that with that is so dirty, like this one, so dirty. And now it's very clean. And the style is very cute, even if it is silver only. The design is very cute. And we have here also, like this one. This one only. One pieces only. The other one is missing. And this is the pendant. The silver pendant. With cute stone. And this one also. Two stone is missing. With also stamp beneath. Like that one. The design is very cute and elegant. And the stone is beautiful. Ano kayang stone niya? Can you figure out what kind of stone is this? That's it. So many collection from the thrift shop, auction, and flea market. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next vlog.